Hi friends, welcome to Steam Saturday. Today we're going to make a volcano. So in your kit from the library, you'll have gotten some baking soda, some dishwasher liquid, you'll need some water and vinegar, and we'll include a little color. So I'm going to put these ingredients aside for a moment, and we'll make the outside of our volcano. We'll also include a bottle. So the first thing you want to do is take one of your pieces of paper and trace around the mouth of the bottle on the paper, like so. And you want to do it on 2 different pieces of paper. And then cut a straight line and then cut out where the mouth will go. So it looks like this. So take your paper, put the hole over the lip of your bottle and tape it shut, and do it with the other side as well. Okay. So at this point, if you wished, you could paint your volcano, and if it's not lying flat, if you use a different bottle, you can trim it so that the bottom hits, but I'm just going to leave mine plain today. And put my volcano to the side a little bit. So what you want to do next is mix your baking soda and your dishwashing liquid. We have a nice little paste there, and we'll add our teaspoon of water. Okay. So now we want to put this mixture in the bottle. And if you want, you can take the cone, the paper cone off if you think you're gonna spill. Good. The next thing you wanna do is add your food coloring to your vinegar if it didn't already come that way, which it probably will if you use it from the library. I'll put in a little bit more, a couple drops. So when you're ready to have your volcano explode, you get your family all around and everything, simply pour your vinegar into your bottle and hopefully we'll have an eruption. Ta-da! I could have maybe added my little bit more food coloring, but there's my lava going down the volcano. Great. So I don't know how long this is gonna go. Glad I put down a plastic tablecloth. I recommend you do yours somewhere that you don't mind getting a little wet or dirty. Next week, we're not gonna have Steam Saturday, but we are gonna have our annual gingerbread decorating contest. So you can pick up those kits on the Sunday before, and we're gonna do it Saturday afternoon instead of Saturday morning at 4 o'clock. And we'd love for you to join us. And even if you don't get a kit, you can get some materials and ingredients and join us anyway. Have a great week. See you next week. Bye-bye.